S28's webinar titled Integration Using Oracle Fusion Middleware, AIA, SOA, and VTEL. Today's presenters are Seema Kiran Upadhyay, Head of India Operations, S28, and Vikas Wadera, Director of Power and Risk Solutions, TriplePoint. Seema Kiran heads S28 India and brings more than a decade of experience in software engineering and design. She is responsible for all customer engagement, technology building blocks, and technology direction development at S28. She has been instrumental in building an elite team responsible for development and delivery of services. Vikas joined TriplePoint in May 2005. During his tenure, he started as delivery consultant for power and gas markets. Upon moving to the Industry Solutions Group, he took over product development and SME role for Global Power, European Gas and Emissions, along with risk management offering through various TriplePoint products. We will be emailing a link to the recorded webinar to all those that registered. Thank you, Seema and Vikas, for presenting, and I'll turn the webinar over to you now.
Thanks, Mike. Good morning, everybody. My name is Seema Kiran, and I'm very excited today to present you a very interesting topic on integration using Fusion, Oracle Fusion middleware using AIA, SOA, and DeepL. I would give you a brief introduction about S28 and then move on to discuss about the business requirements, the integration challenges, and Oracle Fusion middleware. S28 is a software services organization headquartered in Sunnyvale, California, with the development center in Bangalore in India. We also have offices in United Kingdom and Canada. Our main focus has been Oracle technologies, custom applications development, and implementation and development partner for IBM on a product called Octave. With respect to Oracle technologies, we have been into implementation, maintenance, custom development of Oracle applications family, be it JDE, Siebel, PeopleSoft, Oracle eBusiness Suite, or Fusion apps. We have also been doing a lot of integrations of applications and products. We have expertise in database migrations and also business intelligence using OBIE, Hyperion, etc. Our key strength has been that we have 100% referenceable customers, which talks about our dedication, flexibility, and quality of services. This slide shows you some of our key customers from Fortune 10 to small customers throughout the globe. Our website would give you many more such customers with whom we have been working and catering for. I would now start the discussion on integration. What are the business challenges or the requirements the organization across the globe face? The organizations around the world have been undergoing various changes over the years. In the initial days, the attention was paid to automate the manual operations and not about reusing or sharing the application logic data. But as time has moved by, the organizations are trying to see how do we reuse and share the application data so that the key business challenges that are faced by the organizations are reduced. Some of the key challenges the businesses face is how do I increase the productivity by improving the business processes? How do we cater to the customer requirements which are rapidly changing and also accommodate the new business strategies? There are different integration challenges that a customer faces when they think of bringing the applications or systems together. The key points being each application has a different data model to follow. They have different functional configurations. They have different business processes, and of course customization and extensions. The only way that would answer all these challenges or answer some of these challenges are to bring the various systems and processes using a framework together which would be loosely coupled, which would help an application or a system to be easily plugged in or plugged out of the system of a series of systems that would exist in an organization. Estimate has done vast number of system integrations over years using different integration styles, be it reference data query, web services, point-to-point, integration using native interfaces, process-centric integration or data-centric integration. So, and also using Oracle middleware. One of the solutions that best suits most of the requirements for various organizations have been the Oracle Fusion middleware. As you can see here, Oracle Fusion middleware is a collection of tools and services which helps to architect, design, and facilitate integration with Oracle and non-Oracle applications and systems. It's also termed as a hot pluggable architecture for the whole reason being that you can easily plug in or plug out the systems, and they are very loosely coupled, which is what is one of the key requirements in an integration. The various components of Oracle Fusion middleware are WebLogic Server, the Web Center Business Intelligence, Grid Infrastructure, Enterprise Manager, Identity Management, System-Oriented Architecture, and Business Process Management are the key components. When we talk about integration, there are different levels of integration we would need to address in any organization. It would be either at the presentation layer, or the business process layer, or the data layer. Oracle Fusion middleware has tools or components which would address the integrations at various levels. Web Center Suite can be used to integrate the user interface. SOA and BPM would be used to integrate at the business process level. And then there are tools like Data Integrator and Golden Gate, which can be used for data level integrations. Up and above this, over the Oracle Fusion middleware, we have something called as Application Integration Architecture, which is a value-added package, which I would run through in a little more detail in the coming slides. The focus of this discussion would be on integration at the business process level, and so I would be talking about AIE. When we talk about business process integration, we need to talk of the different applications in an organization, from the legacy to custom applications, the standard Oracle EBIS applications, etc. One would like to tie the business processes of each of these existing applications to a common framework, and here is where we have application architecture. Oracle Application Integration Architecture has two key products. One is the pre-built integrations, and the second one being Foundation Pack. The pre-built integrations has two important kinds of applications. One is the direct integrations and the process integration packs. The direct integration are nothing but a pre-built data or process-centric integrations, and the process integration packs are accelerators which combine one or more of the integration styles, such as data-centric integration, web services, reference data query, or process-centric integrations. The Foundation Pack has some of the key components like reference process models, the common objects and standard shared services, the developer utilities, and SOA BPM framework and methodology. Let me explain a little more about what this Foundation Pack means. Before I go into the details of Foundation Pack, one of the common questions anybody has regarding Oracle Fusion middleware is, when do I use the different components which are being depicted here regarding Oracle Fusion middleware. Especially when it comes to the business process integration, do I use pre-built integrations, do I use the foundation pack, or I use the SOA suite? I will go into more details onto this after talking about foundation pack. The foundation pack has reference process models and architecture, which is a blueprint for mapping business processes. It gives you a set of guidelines about how to design, develop, and extend the enterprise business processes, the objects, and the services for your integration. It provides the best practices and design patterns that has been collated over the years of experience across various Oracle applications and also non-Oracle applications. Another key component in the foundation pack is the canonical layer or the common objects and standard shared services. The common objects and standard shared services has two key components. One is the enterprise business objects and the other one being the enterprise business services. Enterprise business object refers to the service-oriented architecture data model consisting of standard business object. It can be, for example, a customer or an item. And enterprise business services are the foundation blocks in an application integration architecture. Enterprise business service represents a business task which is self-contained and can be used independently with any other services. There are around 150 plus enterprise business objects and 1,500 enterprise business services in the current release of AIA. It also has other additional components like the SOA governance tools, which gives you an integrated development lifecycle set of tools for managing your integration. It has components like business service repository, composite application validation system, and an error management system. I would now like to talk a little more about the SOA suite, which is the basic building block for Oracle Fusion middleware. The Fusion middleware SOA suite provides a tool set to design and build service-oriented integrations. It has some key components like WIPL, which is a WIPL process manager, which helps to weave different business processes together. The enterprise service bus, which acts as a messaging backbone for mediation and routing. The Oracle Web Services Manager, which can be used to secure the integrations. I would not be going to the details of each of the components that is depicted here due to the shortage of time. This tool set forms the core of how application integration architecture enables us to address the interoperability challenges. However, to build applications, we just not only need a tool set, but we also need a methodology and a set of predefined enterprise business services and objects based on the best practices which can apply to a business problem. And Oracle Application Integration Architecture provides that. So to summarize, we would need to use the predefined or the pre-built integrations of an application integration architecture when we need to jumpstart an integration if the customer has 2 or more applications which